Hello everyone, I'm back with another art tutorial and today we'll be painting a tiny waterfall. First, for the river on the lower side of the sheet, I'm using the shade light blue. I used a little bit of white and blended it onto the surface from the right side and a little bit of ultramarine blue on the lower sides and the border where the rocks will lie. I used a tinge of lemon yellow from the left side bottom of the sheet and once again did the borders with ultramarine blue and some strokes here as you can see. Now starting with the upper part of the sheet, leaving the space for the rocks on the borders, add black. When we were blending the different colors on the river area, we were using a dry brushing technique, that is, a very tiny amount of water just to keep the brush moist. Otherwise, no water was needed. Now starting with the rocks, I'm first using the shade Burnt Umber. We'll be using different shades of brown for the rocks at random places. Where the rocks meet the black area, we'll be using more of dark shades, since they will be slowly fading into the black at the back. So as you can see, near the borders we are using burnt umber. Then we mixed black and burnt umber and adding some more highlights with it towards the outsides of these rocks. And for the rest of the white spaces of the rocks, I'm using burnt sienna. And to add some more highlights, majorly on the lighter sides and the top parts of each rock, I'm using yellow ochre. Here I'm using a mixture of yellow ochre and white. And once again added some highlights with burnt umber. Now for the green area, I'm first using a mixture of olive green and light green using a fan brush. I'm pressing the fan brush wherever a large part of the green area has to be covered. I'm also using a darker shade for which I mixed dark green and ultramarine blue and then some light green. For the lighter shades, I mixed light green and white and also some light green and lemon yellow. The shades with which you mix lemon yellow give you a fresh green kind of shade. And since it became a too much light kind of green area, I added some olive green to make it a little darker. The key for natural leaves is to add various shades of green. I'm using white for the waterfall. We are creating thin trickling lines from top of the rocks flowing into the river, for which I'm using a size 0 brush. Also adding some white strokes to the river area. And here we are done with the painting, so I'm peeling the tape off. Here you are with your tiny waterfall painting. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you recreate this, you can send it to me on my Instagram handle, link for which is given in the description. Thank you for watching.